Up for sale, 1972 GTO Judge Tribute. I'm going to walk around it, tell you about the car, fire it up, and then drive it. If you do enjoy the video, please go like, subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you. Like I said, GTO Judge Tribute. Originally a Le Mans, finished in Orbit Orange with white and black interior. 350 automatic power steering, power front disc brakes, and AC. And yeah, we'll get started here in the front. Really not too many flaws on the car. It's a very high quality paint as well. There's just two little marks there, and I know a little one right there. But it's got the ram air hood on it, which is a functioning ram air hood. Tack in there. The alignment is nice there, as well as there. So let's go down here. A little touch up right there. The tack in the dash which works, excuse me. Nice lineman here on the door, fits very nice. I just noticed there's just about 3-4 bubbles right there, little tiny guys. But the rest of the lowers look super nice. Let me open the hood real quick. This engine compartment looks absolutely fantastic. With the 350, you see the AC. The whole system does function, but there's a leak somewhere, so it's not currently operating. Power steering and the power brakes for the front disc. But this all looks really, really nice here. As you see, the trim tag is in place over there. Aluminum intake and a Weber 4-barrel carb. There you go. Very smooth running. So we'll keep going. Up under hood. Nice. Top of the car. Really nice here. I know there's just like a little touch up and then like a couple marks there, not bubbles, like a little not smoothness of the paint. Okay. Seats are in nice condition, no rips on them, either of them. In the back do not have rips either. Let's see if I can zoom out. And the headliner, which is in nice condition as well, no rips there. Dash is really in excellent condition here. All this looks very nice. There's no cracks up here on that. The metal looks nice. No cracks in the steering wheel. Shifter with the console. Turbo 350. There's a clock that's brand new that goes with the car. Little touch up right there. That bumper is in mostly nice condition here. I mean, I saw a little mark right there, and there was another one right there, and another little mark right there, but the rest of it very nice. The trunk fitment, of course, with the wing. Looks good. Okay. Open it up, see which one it is. Is that it? Oh, I got it with the light right here. There we go. Very nice under here with the jacking instructions. jambs painted nicely with nice weather stripping. Trunk mat. Nice, solid, and original trunk pan. Oh, the carpet's ripped up by the feet up there below the judge carpet mat, which are new. And this one's not ripped there, as you see. It will be up for sale later today on my website, nextgenclassiccars.com, and eBay. Both links will be in the description of this video if you want to check it out. Let us know. So we will fire it up and then drive it. Thank you. We're gonna fire it up.